First off, I need a haircut. It's kind of looking crazy. In these recent videos, I've been hearing my alarm. You just heard it. Been going off every time. Going to fix the alarm, convince my barber to get a haircut, and then I have a secret for you. Now, the surprise I was talking about. You know, when I was speaking about Kuma and Clark as my favorite book to use when revising, that was the theoretical Bible. The practical Bible is McLeod's clinical examination, and I'll tell you more in a minute. I think I found the solution. This is McLeod's clinical examination book. If you know this, there is no way you are not passing an OSCE. It covers all the systems as one would expect. Cardiovascular, respiratory, neuro, abdominal, everything. And it covers it in such a detail that it won't be like a dance. Now, I say this because I've heard some doctors say physician associates do clinical examinations like a dance. As in, we know what we are doing, but we are unable to attach to it a clinical significance. And if you have this book, OSCEs will be no challenge at all. It will serve you very well. I thought it would be connected to the mains, but it's not. It seems to be running its own battery. I think the battery might be there. That is why it has been beeping all this time. I got some AA batteries and I hope this is able to deal with it. Regarding McLeod's, you know, one thing I really like about McLeod's is how it compares the signs you find. Now, chest pain, as we all know, would it be a PE, myocardial infarction, aortic dissection? When you go to McLeod's, you'll be asking questions not just for information gathering sake. That is a smoke detector making all that noise. I'll sort him out in a minute. Like all books these days, there are the physical copies and there are the digital copies as well. I prefer digital copies. I can have them anywhere. Some people prefer the hardback. You can find it on Amazon. I wish I could link PDF of this book to this video so you guys can get it. I don't know the legalities of that, so I'm a bit I don't know if you guys see this. Look at this. It does not use AA batteries. It has one of those. My goodness gracious. And like all clinical examinations, the best thing you can do is definitely practice with someone. And McLeod will definitely tell you the things you are looking for and their clinical significance. Examining someone without understanding what you are finding is not really helpful. Man. Oh, I got it out. This is what has been giving me all this grief. Only one comes out though. Don't do this. No electrical discharge. Yes, I'm not an electrician. Oh, it came off. Hi. We know what the problem is. This battery is dead. I need to revive it. I don't think it's rechargeable. I need to go purchase a new one. I might go past the barber and try to get a haircut. I have the edges, the line receding over there, and blame all this on medicine. Regarding examinations, the Oxford Handbook of Clinical Medicine also has some chapters on how to properly examine people. If you want more detail on clinical examination, McLeod's is your guy. If you want a quick one, you could always use the pocket handbook. So I just went out to go get me some replacement battery. The funny thing is, I just wanted to go get one. I got there and the boss man tells me you can't get just one. You need to pay in cash. And you are balling all this dollar. You don't carry coins no more. So I had to pay by card. And the minimum purchase was £6. When I was in biomedical school, right? And let's say I was reading biochemistry. I would read a paragraph, maybe highlights, 3 lines. But when I got McLeod's, I was like, Jesus, how am I going to revise this? If every line is important, I might as well stop highlighting in the first place. I hope this battery works. Else I'm schlong. It says test, but it's not working, man. My goodness. The smoke detector is fixed. New batteries in, and it's not going to be beeping anymore, so we are good on that. Tomorrow I'll get a haircut, get my hairline in shape. I'll be looking all kinds of fresh on Monday. Thanks for watching. It's your boy Yoti, and I'm out. Salute. About to get my haircut, bro.